What's going on, guys, and welcome to our channel, Cool Case Adventures. Your Central Florida family happens to be today here at the Magic Kingdom because today is the last day of Splash Mountain, and we want to basically show you guys everything going on here during the morning time in Splash Mountain. Basically, we came here to say goodbye to Splash Mountain. Last day. Splash Mountain was established in 1992, and today, January 22nd of 2023, it's done. So they're breathing. Are you serious? Are you crying over there?
No, I'm not gonna cry.
Oh, you look like you were crying. So they're retheming it to Tiana's Bayou, in case you didn't know that, and it will be opening late 2024. They haven't said, of course, a specific date, but late 2024. So basically, we want to show you everything that you need to see for the last day of Splash Mountain. With that said, if you enjoy this type of content, Disney content, family adventure content, we highly encourage you to stick around so you get to see a bunch of things today. And also, we encourage you to
subscribe and to smash that like button
if we're sharing any valuable content with you. Fam, are we ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So
let's go. Wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it! It has been an eternity since that we have done an intro or an outro here from the train station in Magic Kingdom. This is basically our favorite spot back in the days to always open or close the video, because you get this beautiful view on Main Street and also the Cinderella Castle. We love it. I'm telling you, I'm so excited that it has reopened. The park opened today at 9 in the morning. Early admission for resort guests, 8:30 in the morning. And Splash Mountain was not open until later in the day, I think 9:15 or so. It wasn't open originally with early admission because we've been tracking it on the app. And then as soon as it opened, the wait was what?
The wait was 60 minutes.
60 minutes right away.
When we got in the park, it was 1:35 and now it's 1:45.
1:45. And we decided to go very old-fashioned by simply riding the train.
Where you'll find Brer Rabbit in his laughing place. Oh, be sure to say hi. Those critters love when folks drop in. Platform before unfolding. That'll help make room for any new hoppers. Watch your step now.
Oh Lord, this reminds me, actually, when Magic Kingdom first opened after the pandemic, and they opened Splash, and we came here for the first time right after the pandemic. That's what it reminds me of. With the social distance, we actually made the line back there. But I also want to show you really quick that the only thing that Magic Kingdom has at this moment that you could find some sort of merchandise for Splash Mountain. And I'm going to show you the line too. Also, as you can see, lots of people taking pictures in front over here for the main purpose of, great memories. Only location you can find some sort of memorabilia for Splash Mountain is the Press Penny Collectibles. This is the only location that you could get them. At this moment, there's nothing even on the merchandise store, and there's even a line for it. Apparently, Karen decided to make the line for the coins for memory. But I just want to see the standby right now. Happens to be 160 minutes. Let's see how long it is back there. It is insane to just record this piece of history, because the line 160 minutes, 180 minutes as we speak now. It just went up right away. Actually stretched it down there, and now they're pushing it to loop around this way. Never seen this like this before, but why not? It's part of the history. Part of this documenting is also awesome to see great friends of ours, other content creators doing the same thing. I just want to show you guys. Line started to extend farther out by the minute. This is not a joke. Wow. I promise you guys, it only took 5 minutes by the time that I finished talking to some friends for the line to extend all the way here across Pecklesville restaurant. You can see it right all the way down here. That is insane. Current line as of now, 10:09 in the morning, happens to be over 200 minutes away, and it's in front of Westward Hold Refreshment past Pecklesville restaurant. That's the startup of the line as we speak. I am telling you, rightfully so, everybody climb here to say goodbye to Splash Mountain. I haven't talked to Karen about this, but it sounds to me like we are gonna return later on tonight. Maybe, just maybe, the line has gone down and we don't have to make 200-minute wait. So, but look, people are having a blast. People are having a blast for the last time here in Splash Mountain. I see that guy holding some of the characters, some plushes, right in the front. And I see plenty of people wearing shirts, walking around with plushes. So good for them, man. So look at us. We were able to find them. I have the feeling, Karen, that machine is gonna even run out of them.
It's gonna run out at some point today. Everybody's making the line for that.
Right? This is the only merchandise, kind of sort of, that you're gonna be able to find about Splash Mountain. And it was one for the train too. So
now I need to get a book so I can put them on.
you know,
Maybe we should start a collection. A penny collection.
I want to recognize Karen. Shout out to Adam the Woo, because I saw it in one of his videos. He mentioned it. Had he not mentioned it, I wouldn't be looking for that press machine. So, but they're beautiful.
Yeah.
I like it. How much was it?
If you want all 4 of them, you have to use it. It's $4.
$4.
It's $1 per. But
penny.
if you don't have $1, you can use your credit card. If you use your credit card, you get all 4 of them.
Okay, there you go. Nice to know. Here's the new plan.
New plan.
The lines are astronomical.
Yeah, we can't do it.
You and I have to go work.
Unfortunately.
We have a wedding to DJ.
Yes. Fortunately.
Yeah, bless that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go work.
Yes.
And we're gonna return. Just you and I. Unfortunately, the kids cannot make it, but just you and I are gonna return on our way from DJing, and we're gonna make the line at nighttime.
See how long.
We'll probably be one of the few hundreds to ride Splash Mountain at that point.
Yes.
I'm not anticipating the line to go down at all.
No, not today. It's gonna get longer, if anything.
And we were talking to other content creators. We all agree on the same thing, especially the content creators are looking to ride that last ride.
Yeah.
We just want to ride it.
We just want to ride it one last time.
So hopefully it doesn't go down either. So that's what we're going to do. That's the plan. So next time you see this,
It'll be dark.
it will be dark. Back at it again. Karen,
Yes.
round 2.
Round 2. Ooh. I'm liking it.
How
190.
190. So we've been keeping track all day long. This thing went as high as 220 minutes. It was insane. While we were working, we kept track of it. We legit went, did a wedding.
We saw it go down to 100, so I was very hopeful.
Right. In case you didn't know, Karen and I own a wedding DJ business. When performing that wedding, and now we're out. It's exactly 10 o'clock now.
We went home, dropped the kids off,
Right.
picked up the DJ equipment.
And now we're back at it again after working a long day. So it's been a really long day for us.
Yes.
But like Karen and I keep saying, you only live once, and this is history
And our name is Cookies Adventure.
for a reason.
For a reason.
So now we're gonna head to Frontierland and see how things are going over there. So check this out, Karen. I know Karen currently is going live as we record this video also.
Right.
But check this out.
Yes.
We were here earlier, as everybody saw. According to the video earlier, because I showed it to you guys, back when in the morning, the line was at 140 minutes.
And it was over here.
The line was over here.
Right.
Currently, According to the latest update, at 10:14, the line supposedly is at 100 what?
80.
80 minutes. So this is what I'm saying, and I've been telling Karen, at nighttime, for theme parks, you cannot trust the parks.
Yeah, you can't trust the time.
Look, over here was 140.
140.
Now, the end of the line was here. Now they're saying 180. We shall see. There it is. The current wait is 185 minutes, and honestly, yeah, we'll go in a second, but check this out. 140 was back there. There's no way that line is 185 minutes. That line has to be at least an hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour. I can guarantee you that right now. So we're gonna check it out. Bye, Birdie Box. We are surely gonna miss you. It has been a total of 26 minutes so far in the queue line. We have not yet entered to the building, but we shall see. Hopefully we'll be able to do it in less than the 75 minutes that they were saying. And we're almost making it to the big sign. Everybody continues to take nothing but pictures over here for the last time. You can feel the mixed emotion, guys. And that's it, guys. We're in. Checking this out for the last time. This is a bittersweet, guys. Very bittersweet. We understand. We gotta move on. Bittersweet, but
It's fun that the people are taking their
it's
time.
part of progress. Part of progress. Look at this. We just witnessed people celebrating, also kind of screaming in a good way, you know, because it is 11 o'clock. So Splash Mountain has officially shut down for the last time. So there you have it. We continue to be here in the line. We are 40 minutes into it, so we're about to go to the second floor now. Last shot of this amazing sign. You may get wet. Last time we're gonna see this. Now we happen to be in the second floor. Happens to be 44 minutes into it. We're in the second floor. Here we go. Prayer Frog. Last time, once again, we're gonna see this. I'm starting to wonder what kind of decorations are they gonna use over here for Princess and the Frog. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. One last time. Looking at this picture. The goose. Look at the goose. Here is Prayer Fox. Red Bear over here as well. Here we go. The last chance to exit. We have it over here. About 50 minutes into it, and we're in, guys. Not 175. We're in. Alrighty, guys. So we're in. We're in. I know. I saw you earlier with a rose. So this guy has a rose because he's ready for the funeral.
Favorite ride? Favorite send-off?
There you go.
There you go.
Well, we sadly say goodbye, but
It's gonna be a goodbye.
I know. There we go.
Right, yeah, we are in.
Sleeping Falls. So here comes the first drop. Let's see. Alright, here you go.
Not doesn't mean how you do. Say it when you mean how you do.
She's in the bag, a two's in the fours. That's what you asked me?
time is always spent my day. That's what we make.
Go back, go back.
We got your laughing place. Right up here.
Here we go. One last time on Splash Mountain. Here we go! Woo! We did it! Woo! I am liking the fact that people are cheering on every single boat that comes down.
That's the picture part.
That is outstanding. Wow, look at that.
One of these days, I gotta pay grandma's and grandma's Fleming's get back home tonight.
So now that we're out of the ride, guys, this is what is left of the line right now. We have witnessed people legit crying, guests crying, cast member crying. I'm telling you, the level of emotion is like beyond. So we just basically witnessed people back there trying to sneak in back to the line, and they just stopped them. But they have all of these barricaded with cast member and management. Of course, rightfully so. The line has shut down. So this is it, guys. This is it for Splash Mountain. One last look of the standby entrance for Splash Mountain. As I mentioned, everything is shut down by now. They're trying to move everybody else that is left in the line into the ride so they could actually close the park. And just like we were cheered on, every single boat right now is being cheered on by everybody in the bridge. This has been amazing. I will tell you guys, I do not regret this moment. Gotta take the opportunity to say thank you to all the cast members that have worked here at Splash Mountain since 1992 for all the special memories. This is outstanding, guys. Look, the emotion. Like Kyla would say,
Hola, we back.
alrighty, guys, so there you have it here from Magic Kingdom. What it started this morning as a very hopeful morning to be able to ride Splash Mountain. And during the day, it turned to be an outstanding adventure for us. Sadly, the kids couldn't be here because obviously they were at home after we worked. They had some homework to do,
They have school tomorrow
and they have school tomorrow morning because right now happens to be almost midnight. But we did it, guys. We did it. And once again, Cool Kids Adventure is part of history. We're super proud. We love being part of history, and we cannot wait to share more of these moments with you guys. But until then, sadly, this adventure has ended. With that said, we got to remind everybody to and smash that like button. Turn on the bell for notification, and feel free to leave a comment down below. Always remember to smile out, be great,
Be cool.
and stay awesome, guys. We'll see you in the next adventure.
Bye, guys. Boom.
Boom. See ya.
Bye.